Hello, my name's Kev from dataSights, and in this video, we're going to discuss how dataSights helps your business automate your Power BI, Excel, GSheet reporting, and beyond. So number one thing is that we are here to guide you through to 100% report automation. We are here on Slack, Teams, chat, phone call, whichever stage of the reporting journey you are at, we are here to help and guide you, because at the end of the day, your success is our success. The second thing that we do is we consolidate all your data. So even if it's not listed here on the connectors that we have, we never say no to data. If you have a SaaS platform that you want us to pull data in, we will build that connector for free. If you have a legacy system that nobody else will integrate with, we will charge a small fee to build that. But the bottom line is we want you to have access to all your data in one cloud database. And we really push that home because we also don't just want all of your system data in your centralized cloud database so you start building up a massive business asset, but we'll also help and guide you and provide you the tools to centralize user input data. So what we mean by that is budgets, targets, sales commissions. Previously, all the information, the extra information that you'd email around and have to update manually at the end of the year or anything like that, bottom line is we give you the tools to make sure that that all lives in one place so that we can reuse that data amongst a multitude of reporting tools. Because at the end of the day, your finance team is going to want to have Excel automated. Your management team is going to want to have Power BI automated. And if you have a marketing or if you're an agency and you prefer Google Sheets, you're going to want to have that automated. So the bottom line is centralizing that data is something that we will guide you with, provide the tools with, and make sure that we do it properly so that you can end up with scalable, maintainable, and error-free reporting. And don't forget performance as well. So then finally, we move on to the custom data automations. So after we've nailed the reporting and you're just like, oh, this is awesome, we have these great reports, etc., everything's automated, people have the information they need in order to do their jobs really easily, we'll start looking in other areas. So that might be invoice automation with custom Excel add-ins, or you might be manually sending data to downstream systems, to SAP or to a 3PL, for example. At the end of the day, because we're software developers first and report developers second, we'll be able to help you automate internal processes that will save you even more time and therefore money. Well, I hope that's piqued your interest. Any questions, anytime, sign up for a free trial or hit us up in the chat bot below and hopefully chat to you soon. Thanks. Cheers. Bye.